What's up, developers? I'm Thunderbiscuit. I'm a developer with the Bitcoin Development Kit team. I'm here today to showcase a project of mine. I've been working on this for about a year, just a little bit at a time, trying to make it better. It's a project I called Regtest-in-a-Pod, which allows you to basically have a whole Regtest setup environment that you can fire at will and turn on and off. It takes only a few seconds, so it's really, really useful. And it has all the services that you often want for that sort of thing, for the type of development that a lot of us do. And it's all connected, so it works super well together. So I'll show you what it looks like. I have cloned this repo. For me is cloned in a directory called Podman. And so from here, I can list all commands available to me. I use the just tool. If you're not familiar with it, it's definitely worth checking out. And in this case, I can do just start, which will start the machine and the whole environment. It takes a few seconds and I have a whole setup there here. And for example, I can do here just mine, and that'll mine a block, or even just mine 7, say. The pod comes with a bunch of services. So for example, it has a full Bitcoin Core node right now, an Electrum server, an Esplora server. It has a Bitcoin CLI enabled, of course, and a small block explorer called FBBE, Fast Block Explorer. It's a project by Ricardo Casada at Blockstream. And then a whole whack of useful, just commands, as well as block filters enabled on the node, because we're testing with compact block filter clients in BDK. So that's all available, and I'll show you a little bit of what it does here. We've already mined a block. You can pass a command directly to the Bitcoin CLI using just CLI, say get network info. Yep, works well. And then I have access to all the logs for all these services. So for example, here I'll do just Bitcoin D logs, which gives me my logs for the node. And I should be able to have the Esplora ones as well. Just Esplora logs, there you go. So from here, if I mine a block, I think we'll see it come through. There you go. So that's great. And so those services are exposed at these endpoints. You can sort of print those so they're available to you. So they're easy to find, And for me, so I'm an Android developer, so I use this a lot for development on Android and on the emulators. So we'll take a look here at an example here. So this is the DevKit wallet, the sample application for BDK we maintain. And if I use one of the active wallets here, currently see that it syncs. You can see it come through on the Esplora logs. In this case, we'll try to receive more coins. There you go. And I can use the command just send to, and that should get me, there you go, an extra Bitcoin there. Let's take a look at this on the Explorer. So this is a small block explorer. If I put in my address here, we'll see it appear. There you go. And yeah, there's a whole lot of commands, so I won't go over all of them, but some of them have to do with documentation. So for example, if I do just docs, I get the whole website that I maintain here with a few pages on how to install it, use it. And this is actually related to a blog post I wrote a while back, a year ago, I guess, and which explains, maybe goes more into depth into how to create the Podman machine, and then the images, and then firing up the containers and whatnot. I recommend you check it out. And that's about what I have for you guys. All right. Cheers, everyone.